MKP Kataria Recycling Private Limited transforms end-of-life ELV vehicles into valuable resources for a circular economy at Gujarat's first state-of-the-art registered vehicle scrappage facility. Our facility uses cutting-edge technology for efficient material reclamation, focusing on uncompromising operational safety and strict government compliance. The high-efficiency transformation process, arrival and inspection. Highly trained technicians inspect vehicles, verify documents, and digitally record details for traceability. Depollution, environmental safety. Hazardous fluids, oil, coolant, fuel are carefully drained using high-precision equipment and stored separately for safe disposal, ensuring zero environmental contamination. Battery removal and tire separation are also performed here. Dismantling and recovery. Vehicles are processed through high-efficiency systems to maximize resource recovery. Separated materials, steel, aluminium, copper, and plastics are sent directly to manufacturing industries for reuse. Compliance and contribution. We operate under strict government norms, ensuring full compliance with environmental and safety standards. Customers receive essential documentation including the Certificate of Deposit (COD) and Certificate of Vehicle Scrapping (CVS), fully compliant with the vehicle scrappage policy. By removing older, polluting vehicles and recycling materials, we reduce emissions, improve safety, and lessen the burden on natural resources, contributing to a greener future.